Alright, so here's a quick factoring review. We've got some of the different types that you may see, so this is just if you need it. We've got a standard quadratic, 3 terms. I'm going to go straight to my 2 parentheses, drop down my x and my x. 2 numbers that multiply to a negative, so it's going to be a positive and a negative. We want them to multiply to -8. Bigger number needs to be negative, so I'm going to say 8 and 1. Remember, if we're actually solving, though, this is just factored, so we would say what would make that factor equal 0, so it's -1 and +8. Make sure you go all the way to solve. This one looks like it's about the same, except we have x's in every term. So we're going to actually have to try a greatest common factor first, and you can actually take 3x out of every single factor, every single term. It's going to leave x squared minus 2x minus 8, and then we can factor what's on the inside. So I'm going to put x and x, once again a positive and a negative. We want them to multiply to -8, add to +2, so that's going to be -4 and +2. And then this one's actually going to have 3 solutions. X is going to equal -2 and 4, those are the most obvious. And then from the outside, 3 times what would give you 0? Oh, well, that's going to give you 0, so there's actually 3 solutions. And then the last one, you could do it a couple of different ways. You could add 9 and divide by 25, then take the square root. So if we do that, let's see here, that's going to give me plus or minus 3/5, so pretty quick. Or you could also treat it like a difference of squares. If you wanted to do that, take the square root of each term. 5x squared of 9 is 3, 1 plus 1 minus, and you're going to get 3/5 and -3/5. So you're going to get the same answer. Whichever way you see it, perfectly fine.